I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a track. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas' neck. BBS, my diamonds getting all these.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another banger video, man. First thing first, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell. Click the bell first of all. That's what you gotta do. Go click the bell, like, comment, subscribe, do all that, man. Because first of all, Shay Sway's back in the building. Haircut Sway is back in the building, man. I've been on grind mode, so I ain't really had time to get my cut. So I had some free time in the morning. So first thing first, when I woke up, eat an apple because Healthy Sway is still here. Eat an apple, banana, and got my haircut. I'm starving now. It's just around 12 o'clock now. So my Catless Downpipes in, man. My Catless Downpipes is sitting. It's actually right behind the camera, y'all. My Catless Downpipes is right behind the camera. So let me go show y'all while driving. So that big old box is my Catless Downpipes. I am going to be installing on this bad boy right here. Man. Oh yeah, I still don't have my steering wheel installed. I'm waiting to find free time to install it because it will take a while to install it. But yeah, man, I can't wait to install that still because just imagine orange with that carbon, man. But anyways, I actually can't wait to install them. So the downpipe, the Catless Downpipes I went with was the Rev 9 brand. Yeah, I could have went with the PRL, the Catless Downpipes. But I mean, to me, as long as I like, because I obviously I've done like a whole lot of research before, like I just bought them. But yeah, obviously the PRL Catless Downpipe is the best one, but not that huge of a difference because either way it goes, you do have to retune your car with all the Catless Downpipes. So either way it goes, you're gonna have to install two. Yeah, man. So I'm about to go to the shop that Al recommended me to do my downpipe. So it's actually the shop before when I tried to go just cut my cats, but they were being very professional and told me just wait, just wait, and then you actually buy some Catless Downpipes and then bring it back to them. So since they are being like completely like honest and all and everything, good guys at the shop, so I trust them. So I'll be going back there right now and see if they can install the Catless Downpipes today, because you guys know I am very, 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 very impatient, man. Once I buy something like for a car, I want to get installed like ASAP, and then like just in life in general, I'm very impatient, very, very patient. So yeah, whenever I want something, I try and buy it now. Oh, look at this beam right here. Hold on. Sightseeing on the freeway. That beamer, the fitment is nice on that beamer. The good fitment. That low life is key. Hold on. I'm trying to catch up. Because honestly, I'm still not like speeding with this car though. I'm still not speeding. I just be cruising. Get back over real quick. Yeah, man. But I'm on the freeway. I ain't trying to crash again. So let me. I'll turn on the camera once I get to the shop. Alright, so here's how it looks. So it's actually a front pipe and a downpipe. So this is the downpipe right here. That's the front pipe. Oh wow, that's crazy. Well, I'm about to get both installed right now. Can't wait to do it. It's a huge difference. Alright, y'all, so I accidentally left my camera in the car. Yeah, I was pretty stupid, but it's hot out here. I have on my hoodie, that good old full-blown hoodie, man, but almost done, man. I believe the front pipe is already installed. Now they're just doing the downpipe, which is always the hardest to do. Not a lot of shops can actually install downpipes on these, so yeah, man. But I can't wait to hear it, man. Once I retune it and then I hear the snap, crackle, and pop, and then I'll be very, very satisfied. Because that's honestly the only reason why I got Catless Downpipe, was so that way I can hear that snap, crackle, and pop, man. Alright, y'all, so I'm back in the car, and it is mandatory to retune it so that way my car doesn't throw any codes or anything. So yeah, man, obviously this is my car, and the key thing is to disable this right there for the downpipe, so that way you don't throw no codes. Improve throttle response, and cold air intake, and then you go to, you close this out. Alright, that's all checked. Just make sure all that is already checked. Almost done. It's waiting for that little part to go. And we'll be done, man. We'll be done, and so that way I can hit the road, because I'm still here at the shop. So, because I don't want anything to go wrong. Alright, that means it's passed. So turn off the ignition. Alright, pressed it. And then what you do is wait like a couple seconds. You turn it back on to be safe. Or nothing's popping up, so that means we are good to go. Make sure everything is correct. So that right there means we are good to go, y'all. All right, y'all, so you see that no check engine light, and I revved it one time when I exited, and this shit is so loud, y'all. I mean, this shit is so loud. Watch. That shit is fucking loud. Jesus Christ. Well, let's see. I forgot, like, having like being catless is like loud, but for the performance and tuning, you need the catless. So catless downpipe and front pipe, shit. Windows always gonna be up now, man. Windows is always gonna be up now. All right, y'all. A quick little update. I'm retuning the car just to go and change a little something. But by the way, y'all, this car. So at first the car was just super like loud. So when I got on the freeway, I was cruising so that way the car could adjust to the sound. So the sound is a whole lot quieter. So that's good, but obviously it's still loud. I'm catless and pretty much straight piped it pretty much. So, but that's going to allow me to snap, crackle, and pop like crazy, man. So that's actually what I'm fixing right now. So this is going to see if I can actually go do it a little more, because it did go snap, crackle, and pop, but it was actually just like more on the lower RPM range. So like if I'm like cruising like 700 to like 1,000 RPM, so this hopefully should change it. All right, so I'm vlogging from my iPhone 12 I just got because I left my camera. So I got a little issue with the car. I'm gonna flip the camera around because obviously I have a check engine light, because I need my coolant temperature sensor went out. So I ordered a part like 2 days ago. So I ain't left my house in like 2 days because of that. So my car is undrivable right now. I mean, look, I am literally driving with the hazard zone, not even like 3/5 of a damn quarter throttle, man. That shit is crazy. But I finally got the car. I finally got the part, because a dumbass of FedEx wanna not follow instructions and call me when they arrive to my goddamn apartment building. God damn, man. So I got the part right here, man. So I'm finna go to a shop and see if they could install it for me. I'm hoping they could, because literally, like, I can't. So the problem occurred right when I was trying to go to the gym the other night, and it just started like I was having like pure like misfire issues. So I ran the check engine code, whatever, and then we found out my coolant temperature sensor is bad. So yeah, that's why ladies should get a man that knows how to check his stuff, that knows how to check the oil and all that, man. Hey, get you a man that can do that for you, man. So yeah, you check your tires, get your tires changed, all that, man. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to this random ass shop up here. Oh, and also I took out the skid plate because I was driving the day freeway and the skid plate just took a shit and it was dragging forever. So I took out the skid plate. So yeah, I'm finna go to, but obviously I still scrape because I'm low, but I don't scrape as much anymore. So I'm on the way to the shop right now. So when I get there, and if they allow recording, then I'll oh, I got a haircut though. I forgot to tell you I got a haircut. But yeah, oh shit, right here. Back my dumb ass up. My dumb ass. Shit. Everybody be like, what the fuck is wrong with your car? Shit, I should get an oil change while I'm here. Alright, y'all. This goddamn shop is trying to have me go take my car to the dealer. Do they not know? I can't tell them. If I go to the dealer, I'm gonna void my fucking warranty. Let's see.
The page for Honda. It's talking about the ECT. That's right, the coolant temperature sensor. But the possible causes is a low engine coolant level, insufficient.
That means it's a brand new car.
Yeah, that's why I'm recommending to you bring it to the dealership.
Well, if I go out, void the warranty.
Oh,
my whole engine is modified.
It's under warranty. That's why I'm recommending.
Well, you don't know what I'm saying. If I take my car out, void the warranty. My whole car is modified.
No, that doesn't matter because if you have extended warranty, they have to be covered. If you see the last three options is the sensor you bring in. The sensor, the harness is open or shorted. Is part of the circuit. So replacing this, it doesn't fix anything. So I can charge to you for install it, but it's gonna be the same.
Okay.
100% the same. So I don't want you to waste your money. So if you wanna go to the Honda dealer, I can recommend to you a service advisor right there.
No.
It doesn't matter you have any modification in the car.
What?
Okay. Alright.
If you need something else, just let me know, okay?
Alright. God damn, what the fuck, bro? Not one thing, it's a goddamn another. But the problem ain't got shit to do with my goddamn my fucking mods in my car, so I don't want to hear your goddamn trolls, man. This shit is fucking stupid. Ah, my fucking god, bro. God damn. Just install the fucking part. What the fuck? God damn, just install the shit, man. What the fuck? Well, y'all, if you guys, I am here at Venice Auto Care, so yeah, that's where I'm at. So they just, man, what the fuck? Oh, they won't void your warranty, bitch. Everything in my engine is modified. I'm a goddamn leaking gas. I got Catless downpipe, front pipe, a whole illegal ass cold air intake. Come on, man. God damn, tuned. Shit, what the fuck else? God damn, bro.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 Kias with a hustle with your Mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas on me begging that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, only stepping for a track. Stepper,